lên giờ Thiên.
Yay! Yay! And here there's only a little tokeny little thing, but there you go. Have a look what's in there, see if there's anything interesting in there.
Blow out the
Show me
candle.
might like it.
Go for it.
Let me take your hat off. Hold on. You get a bit closer in there.
Okay, don't burn your hair. Try again. Oh no. More.
There you go.
Good job, Connie.
That took a while. Happy birthday, my boy. How old are you?
8.
No, not 8.
I'm lonely.
You love 8, but how old are you?
I'm 8.
You are?
3.
That's it.
Mommy.
Do you know what you're doing?
Not really. Gas barbecue. Sorted and done. So let me adjust. We should be all rocking and rolling.